Hi, I'm Meredith. I'm a parent and experienced educator, and I'm here today with the Smile Zemi educational tablet system. We've gotten a lot of questions from parents interested in Smile Zemi and its potential to help their children learn. I met with some of these parents to answer a few of their most commonly asked questions.
So I understand the idea behind Smile Zemi is that kids can study from home by themselves, but to be honest, I don't really think it can replace tutors or learning centers. I mean, that's where they have a one-on-one personalized tutoring time, right? Do you really think this can be a substitute?
I do, and here's why. So ideally, learning centers and tutors are able to assess our children's stumbling blocks and provide appropriate guidance. But this can have adverse effects. Children can become overly dependent on tutors to solve problems for them, and limiting their ability to think critically and work independently. And also, compatibility between the instructor and the child can also be an issue. But not at Smile Zemi. There's no problem with compatibility or independence. And that's because Smile Zemi assesses your child's learning situation and level of understanding, judges what needs to be worked on each day, and presents it to them as today's tasks. All of this fosters children's natural desire to learn independently.
That's true, and the compatibility between the instructor and the child is just so important. And I hadn't considered over-reliance on tutors. With this in mind, I actually feel very comfortable with Smile Zemi proposing a personalized learning plan for my kid.
And you know, another great feature of the Smile Zemi program is that as long as your children have the tablet, they can work on their studies anytime, anywhere, so there's never any need to drop them off and pick them up at the learning centers or work around the schedules of their tutors. They can work efficiently at their own pace, which can also be more effective than studying only once a week and on a fixed schedule.
Yeah, that's a good point. And that saves us a lot of time as well. Well, my husband and I, we both work jobs, and so we often find it hard to make time to drop off our kids at tutoring and then pick them up so often. With Smile Zemi, it sounds like we can make more efficient use of our time for things we actually want to do, like make delicious meals for them or, household chores or who knows what else.
Exactly. I think your family will get a lot out of this program. We hope any of your concerns about Smile Zemi have been fully addressed. Smile Zemi provides grade 1 through grade 5 materials on a high-spec tablet for dedicated learning. The learning system helps children acquire basic academic skills and improves their motivation to learn. Right now, Smile Zemi is offering a tablet for free with a 1-year subscription, so you can start at only $99.99 a month. If you're still unsure, we also offer a money-back guarantee home trial. A child's genuine passion and excitement for learning impacts them in positive ways throughout their entire lives, and we're here to help jumpstart that. Start Smile Zemi today.